In this video, we go Dunebashing, go on a high-speed boat tour around the Palm, plus another couple of activities, and stay at the Waldorf Astoria. The beginning of this video is going to be quite noisy.
Hey, 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 hey. I don't care, I don't care. Du lịch khó. No, không dám dòm đâu kìa. I'm not scared. No, 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 no.
Almost all the tours include some kind of camel riding or ATV. Usually this is on the way to the biggest dunes.
Vui không?
It's a lot of fun, and these videos are not sped up either. It's definitely very exhilarating, and yes, there was a lot of screaming in the car. So yes, luckily we have this music to save our ears.
Go, go, faster, go.
Now you say faster, yeah? Next is a stop for a photo opportunity and some sandboarding if you're interested.
I'm very happy. Yeah.
When the sun starts setting, you drive back towards the city, and on the way you stop at a desert camp where you get your buffet and dinner show.
Oh my god.
Lạnh rồi ha.
There were these dervish dancing guys who spun around in a circle for minutes on end, and fire show, also belly dancing, and in general it was quite interesting and it was quite fun to watch. Next we went to the Dubai Frame, where they have a glass floor that you can walk on.
The glass is very thick. You can do it. No, 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 baby. No, 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 no. You can do it. No. Look down now. No. Come, baby. Look down. Look down. See, you did it. Go, go.
We got a decent deal on Groupon and decided to go for a Palm and Marina tour. The area is really impressive with huge skyscrapers and interesting buildings. This was a very, very fun activity. You get to see all the iconic hotels on the Palm and surrounding area, and a lot of interesting buildings and mansions that belong to princesses. So very, very fun and interesting and informative and romantic. Renting a bike in the marina area is really cheap and a lot of fun. And of course cycling is allowed all around the marina area and it's well signposted. And yeah, it's a great place to spend a night or an evening cycling around, trying food in different restaurants and different stands. Definitely.
Here we are at Saigon, Taste of Vietnam. What's this? We don't know. Spring roll. Som tam. Summer roll. Wow. Okay.
The bun cha and the pho were absolutely delicious.
Look at the pho. Absolutely delicious.
The Waldorf Astoria is an amazing hotel. There are great facilities and the rooms have some great views. We got upgraded to this room on the executive floor with amazing sea views, and we paid 70,000 Hilton Honors points for this, so it didn't cost us a cent apart from the points, of course. And look at that view, it's pretty amazing. Definitely a fantastic idea and a great way to spend some of your hard-earned points. If you're also interested in learning how to use points and collect points and gain status to be able to get free breakfast as we got in this hotel, just sign up to my mailing list in the description below.
It is time to leave. It's been a very long and epic trip. Well, yeah, I'm enjoying my dessert and off to the flight from Dubai to Zurich on Swiss. And it's the old plane, and yeah, see you on the other side.
Despite what you may think, not all business class seats on the same plane were created equal. Quite a few have bigger footwells, more space, more privacy. I personally love having enough space to spread out when I sleep. So the bulkhead rows 4 and 6 are the best, and 5A and 5K I would say are second best.
The worst thing about this plane, or also this business class, is there are no individual air nozzles. So it's a roast to death. If you're a side sleeper, and having the plane on one side lets you put your knee up against it or whatever and sprawl out, which you can't really do in the throne seats.
Einfach Eis fürs Wasser. Ja.
Kurz vor der Landung etwa 1,5 Stunden servieren wir Ihnen ein kleines Frühstück.
At least the weather was good in Switzerland, but I couldn't wait for my trip to Thailand and Vietnam. Join me next episode as we travel to Asia.